All right, friends, so because we have so many students out the past couple of days being in and out of sickness, and we have lots of teachers being out for in and out of sickness as well, for the rest of the week after today, you will be at home doing remote learning. Okay? So, I want to talk about your packets. Okay? Tomorrow you should do day 4, Thursday is day 5, and Friday is day 6. So let's go over day 4. Okay, here's day 4. You can do either investigating light or parts of a letter. If you do both of those, you will get 10 points extra credit on one of your lowest scores. You also have working with words, so working with OW. Math skills review, fact families, 6 plus 7 equals 13, 7 plus 6 equals 13, 13 minus 6 equals 7, 13 minus 7 equals 6. Okay? So that's day 4. Remember, you can do investigating light or writing a letter. If you do both, you get 10 points of extra credit. Okay? Here's day 5. For day 5, you can do ants or earthworm research. That's when you're going to go on your computer, a cell phone, an iPad, and you're going to do some research. Write what the body of an earthworm looks like. Write where their habitat is. These 5 squares are not pictures, they are words. And you need at least one complete sentence for each of those. Okay, so you can do ants or earthworm research. Again, if you do both, 10 points of extra credit. Okay, cut and glue, sentence or fragment. Is it a sentence? Is it not a complete sentence? The little girl. Sentence or not a sentence?
Not a sentence.
Not a sentence. My teacher ate chocolate ice cream. Sentence or not a sentence? Sentence. Okay? Then you have a challenge. Fascinating frogs. You can have a parent read this to you, or you can read with a parent. Okay? Because it's a lot. You can do questions 1 through 5 or 6 through 11. If you do both, that's another 10 points of extra credit if you do all of the questions. Okay? So you've got 2 opportunities on Thursday for extra credit. Day 6, reading passage, long use spelling patterns, working with suffixes, some fractions. This is to help you solve your fractions. It says cut and paste each chocolate. If you don't have scissors and glue, just draw them out and color them in. And math skills review. For day 6, the fractions is optional. 10 points extra credit if you do it. Long U is optional. 10 extra credit points if you do it. On top of this, you will have your spelling test on Monday. So you need to still work on your spelling homework. I would also like each of you to be ready to take an AR test on Monday when you return, because some of us are very behind on meeting those goals for the third 9 weeks. So again, you have extra credit options on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday's home remote learning packets. You have extra credit opportunity for your spelling. How many spelling activities do you have to do? Everybody? 4. If you want extra credit, how many do you have to do? 9 for 10 extra credit points. What are you going to be ready to take on Monday? Raise your hand and tell me one thing. You're going to be ready to take, Caleb, an AR test. You're also going to be ready to take, Diesel, your spelling test. Okay?